All right, let's take a look here. What we got? Yeah, this thing is completely total. This is a real burnt car that I'm talking about. Engine definitely set on fire. That's probably where I'm gonna make my guess where it started from. Completely obliterated. The whole car caught on fire. Look at the wheel on that. You guys see that? Maybe accident leading to a fire, burning down to the ground. I mean, there's definitely damage. Look at that. You can't do anything with this kind of engine. You can't do anything with this car. This car, whew.
DIY gang got a Hellcat, but not just any Hellcat, the worst Hellcat. Check this out. Good thing is that this motor was not running. All melted, it's all decayed, this thing is completely shot.
Yo, what is going on, guys? And just when I thought this car was complete junk and is gonna forever live in the junkyard and rot away, some crazy guy, his name is Do It Yourself Gang on YouTube, decided to purchase this. He outbid whoever was bidding on that. I don't know if how many bidders there were. I tried looking at the bid history, but I was unable to find the information. But the last thing we know, the bid was $525 for this burnt down Hellcat. If you guys know how much he ended up paying, leave a comment in the comment section below. But anyway, I don't know what this guy is planning to do with this Hellcat, but he is definitely a wild boy because this car is fairly obliterated. The engine might be able to come back to life. You might use some of the parts, especially the internals from this car on another car, or maybe potentially take this long block and swap it into another shell, maybe a kit car or something crazy like that. There is a guy on YouTube, a rebuilder guy. He did purchase a burnt down Subaru STI, and link in the description on his channel again. He used his STI motor on another WRX he had that was flooded and had a flooded engine, and Lord behold, that motor fired up. It's not running perfectly, but it is possible. So is this what Do It Yourself Gang is trying to accomplish? What are they planning to do? What do they have up their sleeve? I'll throw in some clips for you guys here. I mean, it's just wild. I can't believe it. And I was watching the car on Copart a couple days ago, and now here it is. Some guy got it, and he's excited to make it a project build. So go ahead, check out his channel. Let me know what you guys think, because I think that's crazy.
This is going to be the craziest rebuild, period.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.